welcome back to my channel. I am Jyotsna. So today I am doing empties video wherein I show you all the products that I have emptied during this lockdown. The products are a mix of skincare and there are few makeup products as well. So this video is all about empties, mini reviews, and also if you want to know what are my favorite products, then you have to keep on watching. So the first product that I have recently emptied during this lockdown is this Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask. I can say it is an okay product. You're not missing out on anything. It works exactly same like your normal Multani Mitti mask, where you can get it for 50-60 rupees near your general stores, and this product costs you around 490 rupees for 60 grams of product. I can say it's way more expensive for normal Multani Mitti mask. It didn't do anything for my skin at all. Only good thing is it didn't dry my skin. So I have done a detailed review on this product. If you want, I'll be linking it here somewhere, so you can watch it after this video. Instead of buying this for 490 rupees, you can get a normal clay mask or you can get normal Multani Mitti from stores. I'll not repurchase this product. I'm not going to recommend this to anyone. So the next product I'm going to show you guys is this Biotic Bio Chlorophyll. It is an oil-free and an anti-acne gel. It works great. It works well for my skin. Whenever you have pimples, you can directly apply it on the pimple and it will dry the pimple out within 2 days, and it won't scar you also. I apply this after shaving my eyebrows and it works really fine because it suits my skin. It didn't irritate my skin at all. So if you shave your whole face, if you shave or if you thread your whole face, then you can definitely apply it on your face and you can try this product. It costs you around 199 rupees for 50 grams of product, and you will always find it on discount. If you're not concerned about all the ingredient list and all, then you can definitely give it a try because it works really well. So the next product that I'm going to show you guys is my ultimate favorite product, that is Clinique Moisture Surge. I have been introduced to this product by my friend, and since then I never stopped using this product. Oh my god, this product is like my holy grail moisturizer. I have tried a bunch of moisturizers and always this stands out. I'm definitely going to repurchase this product once I finish my Clinique ID. Even this product is so good. I don't know which one to repurchase, so I'll let you guys know about that. So the next product that I have with me is Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in the variant Berry. So if you're suffering from dry lips or if you're suffering from chapped lips, you can definitely apply this product before going to bed. Just apply it in a thick layer, and the next day when you wake up, just take a towel and remove the excess product. You can see that it always removes that dead skin cells that are lying on your lips. It costs you around 500 rupees for 8 grams of product, but let me tell you, it lasts you around 4 to 5 months easily. I'm definitely going to buy a bigger size in this product. Next up, I have this Pixi Glow Tonic with me. It is 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. I bought this product from Sephora. I finished up this whole bottle. This is of 100 ml, and also by the time I finished this product, I already have this bigger version with me. So at first I thought it didn't do anything for my skin, but after using the whole bottle and when I started using this product again, I started continuously using this product. The texture got improved on my face. Even it removed dead skin cells on my face. I can see my skin tone being improved, and that is one of the best thing glycolic acid can do to your skin. So I can see the difference after using this particular product. I think I can use this product for 4 months. So once I finish this toner, then I am gonna try their new version that is in the variant of salicylic acid. I don't know if it's going to be released in India or not. So if they release it in India, then I'm going to try that salicylic acid. So next product is my cult favorite product, that is Clinique Clarifying Exfoliating Lotion. I have completed this product totally. So if you ask me, Clinique Clarifying Lotion or Pixi Glow Tonic, I would definitely choose this Clinique exfoliating toner. If you also have combination skin type, then you can try this combo, guys. So I use this in the morning and I use this as a treatment in the night. Currently I am having this sample size with me. I will always have my heart for this product. So since we are in the list of toners, I am going to show you my next product. This is Plum Green Tea Revitalizing Mist. So it is a normal toner, guys, but it is in a spray bottle. If you are looking for an affordable, vegan, cruelty-free toner, then you can go for Plum toners. It costs you around 360 rupees for 100 ml of product. I think it's a bit expensive because you get 200 ml for around 250-260 rupees for normal bottle. Since it's a spray bottle, it is a bit expensive. Okay, am I going to repurchase this? If I really want to repurchase something from Plum in the toners category, then I would definitely repurchase chamomile toner. So this is the last product that I'm having on my skincare list, and this is YBP Plant Remedy. I'm having this in a travel size. I received this product as a gift on my birthday from my friend, and I started using this product from January 2020 recently. So I finished up. I think I still have a tiny amount of oil in this. So you can use it as a moisturizer, you can use it as an under eye roller, you can moisturize your lips, and also you can use this for any spot treatments. It takes a lot of time for you to understand whether it is working or not, because it is 100% pure natural, and natural products tend to take some time, but I can say that it moisturizes your skin so well. When you apply this as a moisturizer on your face, the next day when you wake up, it gives an amazing glow, guys. When you wash your face, you can see that your skin is glowing from within. It smells divine. It smells divine. So you can see, it smells divine. So it has a green color tint to the oil. It's natural. They don't have any added fragrance or any added colors. But whenever you apply it on your skin, it instantly gets absorbed. But you can say it's a lightweight oil. It's not so thick on your skin. It's not too light. See, it already absorbed into my skin, and it gives that natural shine. I don't know when I'm going to repurchase this, but I'll definitely purchase at some point of time. I'm going to get that bigger version than the travel size bottle. The last two products are eyeliners. I have emptied eyeliners from L'Oreal Paris and Maybelline. Finishing makeup product is very difficult. They last you so long that you can never finish it. You just need to throw once they expire. So I have finished this felt tip liner. Actually, I removed that. I don't know, I did some DIY with this pencil. It didn't work. So on one side you have felt tip liner, and on the other side you have kajal. It comes in 3 different variants. One is in gold, one is in silver, and one is in black. I chose the black variant, wherein I get black liner and black kajal. So it's a travel friendly pencil. The felt tip liner is so good. I think this is one of those products I have used up very fast when I got this. The kajal is not that dark. It's a good product. I only like the felt tip side, but not the kajal. But I don't want to repurchase the same old product because I want to try some other different liners. There are a lot of felt tip liners, lot of eyeliners actually available in the market right now. So I don't want to buy the same old product. I want to try something different. Last product of this video is Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. So can you believe that I have finished this gel eyeliner, guys? I totally finished. Of course, I cleaned this up. I totally finished it. At some point of time, I just wanted to throw this product, guys, because gel eyeliners tend to dry up very quickly. Once you open the product for 6 months, I don't know if it's with me or if it's with everyone. I just wanted to finish up this particular product. It is very travel friendly. It comes with a brush. It comes with a great brush, and I have 2 to 3 brushes lying around in my home, guys. It is a good product, but I want to try something new, not from Maybelline. I think I can buy pack. I wanted to try Inglot gel eyeliner also, so I'll try some other product. So as of now, I have a product line with me. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found my video helpful. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share it with your friends, and I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye, guys.